Remember, I'm just gonna say two best spells. Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr. Why can't you just stop attacking anyone? Here is my warning to all of you. Jean Asedio, best spells Arnel Castillo, Jeffrey Asedio, and especially Gima Casandil. Oh, I am warning for four of you. Best spells Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and Gima Casandil. Here is my statement to all of you. This is really eradicated. It is really uneducated for all of you. Because I know I was very mad and I know I was very angry for four of you. Don't you know there is a Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 for four of you? Remember, best spells Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr. You posted lots of pornography in Twitter. If for example, best spells Arnel Castillo, if Tera Francisco and Felix Sabines, if he seen this in Twitter or in X, including my followers in Twitter, including Teacher Gio Malana, Dara Maytuason, or Teacher Dara Maytuason, or there is Mina Suchoy, or there's my friend Crystal Dulce Jurado, Yvette, even Lawrence Villawan, he has a Twitter also. Because all of my friends, they're gonna see what you're doing. Oh, you know, best spells Arnel Castillo, you have to stop posting your Twitter about pornography. Because if Mina Suchoy will see this, even not only Mina Suchoy will gonna see this too, that Miss Earth 2022, Jens Manaid, and also Stefan Pimentel, both, they would see your pornography photos. Oh, you know, best spells Arnel Castillo, you have to stop with your pornographies. Don't you know there is a Cybercrime Prevention Act, best spells Arnel Castillo? Huh? Don't you know there was a cybercrime? Remember, I was told by by Kuya Mike Labitag, I was told by by Miggy Labitag, pornography, it's really illegal on Twitter. Because thanks to Elon Musk, Elon Musk says he wants to prohibit all of kind of pornographies, especially in Twitter. Twitter is X. Twitter is a social media. X is Twitter. You should never post pornography, best spells. You don't know what you're doing. Even you make a rape joke, you get it to Teacher JD, you get it to Mom Teacher Kel, who was in US, and you get it to Teacher Freddy May Masalab Silos, and Teacher Rina Nebres, who were new teachers there in CDIFI. What kind of person are you, best spells Arnel Castillo? Even you get it to Mina Suchoy, the Miss Earth 2022. You get it to Andrea Aguilera Aruyabe. She was not part of your stupid group chat. Like I said to you, best spells Arnel Castillo, inaano ka ba nila? That's why. Even Shania Kiana, you try to involve that person. You know, best spells, Best Spells Network, Arnel Castillo. If you're watching in my video, you should pay for your crimes. You should pay for your consequence. Hey, you are a criminal. Don't you know there is a Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, best pills? Hey, you're posting pornography in Twitter, in X. Now, Elon Musk is prohibiting pornographies in X, in Twitter. And now, what happened to you, best pills? You're in huge trouble. Oh. What if, for example, if my friend Jude Goles has a Twitter in X, even one of my friends in CDIFI even Kathleen Canete, Apple Alday, they have Twitter, they will see your Twitter post, best pills. Your Twitter account is ACGJ channel. What the hell is wrong with you, best pills? Arnel Castillo. Even you, Gina Sejo. I had enough about your stupid bomb joke. You were in Japan. You were in Nagoya. You were in Fukuoka. Why are you saying a bomb joke? You're a SPED teacher in Japan, in Nagoya SPED school in Japan. You're teaching all the students who were Japanese with special needs. Who were autism in Japan. Japan has lots of autism there, even in United States. Why can't you just stop, Gina Sejo? I had enough about your stupid bomb joke in social media because you are really eradicated person. And especially you, Jima Kasandil. You know, Jima Kasandil, I had enough about your nonsense. I had enough about your foolishness. I had enough about your foul languages with the GAGO. And I had enough about your nonsensical bomb joke in social media. Don't you know there was a anti-bomb joke law? Jima Kasandil. You, Gina Sejo, you were in Japan. You should never say a bomb joke there. Gina Sejo. And you, Jeffrey Asejo, you have to stop with your nonsense. You have to stop with your rape joke. Rape is not a bill. Remember that, Jeffrey Asejo. Don't you know, Jeffrey Asejo, I had enough about your bomb joke. You harass Shania Kiana and you want to force her to suicide. You are an eradicated person. Even you, Gina Sejo, even you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, even you, Jima Casadin, all of you are eradicated. Because I am very angry to all of you. I am very stressed to all of you. Don't you know, all of you? Don't all of you know what is the problem here in the Philippines? Franco Cagayat was right. He said in Tagalog, ayoko na sa Pilipinas, that's why. Puro lang kademonyohan, that's why. You, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jim Macasandil, I had enough of all of your nonsense and foolishness in social media. And you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, quit on your mentioning of your nonsensical TV show, Tahanang Pinakamasaya. You have to move on. Because last March, last April, you bash Diwata. And you call Diwata Pares, it's not delicious. And you praise Hiwaga Pares, best pills, Arnel Castillo. You're banned to eating Diwata's Pares. You should never eat Diwata's Pares. There's a Diwata Pares in United States, oh. Best pills. Arnel Castillo, there's Diwata Pares in Japan. Oh. If I ask my dude, Gio Malana, if he's in US, you can eat Diwata Pares, I ask JP Pinoy and his wife and his children, he can eat Diwata Pares in Japan, you, best pills, Ardel Castillo, why are you criticizing Diwata? You're such an envy person. You're such a dumb. You are really dumb, best pills. Don't you know you are really dumb? Remember, best pills, Arnel Castillo. I already reported to Jeff Oligar. I already reported to Ben Tulfo, Rapi Tulfo, and Miss Earth organization, and even University of the East Manila. Because right now, you did it to Mina Suchoy, you did it to Andrea Aguilera Arroyabe, you did it to Maine Mendoza, you did it to Teacher Alexandria Pagkalinawan, especially Teacher JD, Ma'am Teacher Kel was in US. You did it too, best pills. All of your consequence, it's up to you. It's up to you, best pills. Arnel Castillo. You are a worst criminal. You are a criminal anyway, best pills. You are a piece of crap. I told you your brain is like a shithole, best pills. What is in your brain? You're a piece of useless person. The Tahanang Pinakamasaya is really a useless. Paulo Contis is useless. Remember that. I am warning you, best pills, Ardel Castillo, and all of your allies, Jean Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and G. Macasadil.